dito sa may El Navi. Actually dito kami mag-check-in next this Friday. Kasama ko yung mga barkada ko dito. So explore natin next time. Kamusta mga Juan? I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang iyong Ugo Travel Bay na may puso, and welcome back to another vlog. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button at huwag nyo na rin kalimutang i-hit yung notification bell para naman updated kayo sa mga future vlogs ko. And we are back here in San Juan. This is my episode 2. Yun, so ngayon pinuntahan namin yung pinsan ko dito sa Kahel resort. Sa San Juan lang din pero medyo malayo siya sa may Urbiztondo. Ayan, so inantay pa namin yung dalawang kasama namin at kasama ko ngayon yung batchmate ko nung college. Oh, siya ito ngayon.
Busy ako.
Gusto yung pagkain nila, boss?
Ayos naman. Masarap.
A few moments later.
So meron kaming kasama, bisita. Hi. Say to my vlog. Yo, so katapos namin kumain. So balik na kami ng Urbiztondo para diretso na kami ng clothes up. At sana nandun na yung dalawa, si Paula saka si Norman.
We got time, but no money.
Tucked away from the beaches of San Juan, ang Kahel Resort ay isang perfect tropical destination for everyone na naghahanap ng escape, relaxation, and adventure. Located in Tabok, San Juan, the resort is blessed with a stunning view of the sea. It is a great place to relax and chill. At kung hanap nyo ay jowa, hanapin nyo yung poging staff na si Kelvin. Baka siya na ang matagal nyo nang hinahanap.
Famous TikTokers ng Elyu spot.
Elyu na may puso.
So, alis na kami ng Kahel. Balik kami ng Urbiztondo at papuntang Flotsam and Jetsam. Sana open sila.
Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like this. Acting like this.
Kilala rin bilang hostel sa San Juan, Flotsam and Jetsam also serves delicious foods that include pizza. At huwag niyong kalimutan ang kanilang mouth-watering stone oven baked garlic pizza, which is made up of cheese, bacon, and garlic. Flotsam and Jetsam paint itself as an artist hostel at makikita nyo kung bakit. It's lively, it's vibrant, it's fun, and it's hip. Tamang-tama para sa weekend getaway ng barkada at mga magjowa.
And yes, andito na kami sa may Flotsam and Jetsam. Yan, kung nakita nyo sa likod ko. So, chill-chill muna tayo kasama yung mga tropa natin. And tingnan natin kung makakapunta tayo ng Kabsat later. Kita pala dito yung Kabsat. Yeah. So, ayun muna mga Juan. Tara. Nakamotor din. Ay, tangay. Kasama na natin si Norman. Antay mo natin si Paula. Wala pa eh.
Website ang gina.
Andun dyan, Nikon. Wilson. Pumunta kami ng Kabsat para mag-delay. Kasama na namin si Paula. Paula, tayo naman sa vlog ko.
Hello! Welcome to Kabsat. Kabsat in San Juan.
So, kain na tayo mga man. Later ulit.
Kabsat, a resto bar in San Juan, La Union that offers everything you need. Mula good food, great drinks, and the best views, all in na dito. Here, they treat everyone like family. As the name itself, Kabsat, also known as kapatid in Tagalog, lahat dito, eat as one and drink as one. Indeed, parang magkakapatid.
2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me good.
San Juan Beach is where waves and surfers and surfer wannabes meet. At ito ang rason why San Juan befits to the surfing capital of Northern Philippines moniker. Isang perfect getaway para sa mga surfing enthusiasts and also a best place to relax and feel the good vibes.
No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
At ayun na nga mga Juan, so kagising lang natin and we are here at San Juan's coastline. At nating lumakad-lakad, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kagabi kasi nabati pa nyo, medyo lasing na. So lakad-lakad muna kami, then later breakfast na. Kaya gano'n ita?
May 20, may 30, may 40.
Kaya ano nga, 5:30.
5:30. With boba, without, guys?
Bobo pa siya.
With.
Sago lang.
What about the sweet? Very sweet na soma?
Kung ano yung masarap ko yan.
Apakakonyo naman ni Kuya. Apakakonyo aga-aga.
Kumaka yan, ma. Para mabuhay kayo.
Okay, vlog ko ah.
Vlogger kasi.
Naging vlogger.
Aging vlog.
First time po makatikim ng condensed soy. Ay, oo. Ako lang po ang gumagawa niyan, sir.
Uy, grabe.
Pag sa pabrika yan, hindi ganyan ang lasa ng tao. Sariling luto po kasi yan, sir. Okay na?
Ay.
Hindi
Kaya,
na,
salamat po.
Guys, pakitabi nyo lang yung wrappers, guys, ha?
Okay po, salamat. So, ayun yung mga Juan. Habang naglalakad kami sa may beach, nakahanap kami ng taho. Yun. Sarap. Yun, so maliligo tayo mga Juan. It's first time natin sa dagat after how many years. So that's San Juan, Urbiztondo. Doon yun, ito yung surfing capital of the north ang tawag nila, kasi maganda yung alon dito. So mostly mga surfers from south nagpupunta sa dito. Pero di pa ako nakapunta ng Siargao eh. Sabi na maganda din daw doon.
Blow my mind with a warning. You dogging.
One of the main reasons why people go here is to surf. San Juan has waves that can reach 8 to 10 feet on a good swell. It boasts two surfing seasons, ang South Swell from July till October at ang North Swell from November till March. Ito ang habol ng mga tourists at surfers around the world. Pero kung hanap mo ay relax and chill lang sa beach and a good dip in the sea, San Juan is the best place to be.
So tapos namin maligo, uwi na kami para mag-breakfast muna. So chill muna tayo mga Juan habang inaantay yung breakfast. Aday.
Located along MacArthur Highway, Surftown is a perfect starting point from which to explore San Juan. Just 1 minute away from the beach, it is also an excellent choice para magstay, relax, and rejuvenate. Sobrang accommodating ng mga staff at ng owner dito. Their steak and coffee is a must try.
No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
And that's it mga Juan. That's our San Juan travel vlog episode 2. Nag bar hop lang tayo, kabsat, tapos flotsam, and then naligo tayo sa dagat. So I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang inyong travel bay na may puso. Check out na kami and see you on my next vlog.
And while sitting at the beach in San Juan, habang pinagmamasdan yung mga batchmate ko, ang dami kong realization sa buhay. Alam mo, God's timing is always perfect. It's never too early nor late. Lahat tayo, we are striving for success. Pero siguro nga, hindi pa natin time. Maraming success stories at their 30s, 40s, or even at their 50s. Kasi we have our own timeline. The right time will definitely come for us. And you, at the other end watching this video, alam ko magaling ka and you have all what it takes to become successful one day at magiging blessing din sa iba. And if that day comes, magiging sobrang happy ako para sa'yo kahit hindi kita kilala. Mag-focus ka sa goal mo. Be too busy working on your own grass that you don't have time to see if someone else is greener. Laban lang, Juan.